their Hanbury house type, which is a 3-bed semi-detached house. This is the front, which has 2 parking spaces. Through the front door is the hallway, which some of their other 3 bedrooms don't have. They just open straight into the front room, which I don't like. The front of the house is south-facing, so lots of natural light gets into the hallway. I don't have any flooring at all at the moment. I didn't get it done with persimmon because it seemed expensive and I wanted to be able to take my time to choose what I wanted. Off of the hallway is the cloakroom, which just has a WC, a small hand basin and a radiator in it. It also has its own window, which is good because not all downstairs cloakrooms do. The living room is a bit of a funny shape with lots of odd angles because of the hallway, but it's quite a large space, and again the window is south facing, so lots of light gets through. There's an understairs cupboard for storage. I've seen someone on Instagram use it as a little office space with a computer in it, but it will just probably be storage for me. Leading on from the front room is the kitchen diner, so it's similar in that way to my last house. There's a dining space to one side that can fit a decent sized table with chairs. On the other side is the kitchen, which has a decent amount of worktop space. There isn't too much cupboard space by the time the cupboards are taken up with all of the built-in appliances. I can imagine that larger families who don't do weekly shops might struggle for storage space. The dining side leads onto the garden, which again is a good size for a new build house. It comes with a shed as well, which is good because this house type doesn't come with a garage, so at least I can store a few things. Okay, so upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. This bedroom here is the smallest and it will be my home office. Next to it is the middle bedroom, which is a small double room. The bathroom is next. Because it's a semi-detached version of this house, it has a window in the bathroom so it gets natural light like the cloakroom downstairs does. I would have preferred the plumbing on the opposite side of the bath so that I could add a shower attachment, but they've built it according to the plans and I can adapt that a little bit later on. The landing is a decent size, definitely in comparison to the one at the last house. There's a storage cupboard in there as well, which I'm going to get a plug put in so that I can put a condenser dryer in there, so it will be the laundry and storage cupboard. The main double bedroom is at the front. It has an overstairs cupboard, again kind of like my last bedroom, and it also has an ensuite with a shower, a hand basin and a WC. Let me know what you think of the house in the comments below.